Okay. Good morning, everyone. I would like to make a video that's more, related to our daily lives. I start in the morning. Today is June 22nd, 2021. And this is my room, and I work as a caregiver in USA. That's United States of America. And it's it's not an easy job, but it will put food on your table. Okay, and that's my patient's room. She's sleeping, and this is somewhere in south of New Jersey. And then I'm gonna turn off the lights because um, it's almost 9 in the morning, and the weather is like raining, it's cloudy, and this is the den, the family room, dining room, patio outside, and this is their kitchen. And see, I drank so many beers last night. And this is Harvey. Harvey, let's go outside. I go outside, sit there, and listen to the birds. I thaw chicken for our dinner, and we'll have recycle. I'm doing the laundry. It's my laundry though. And those are the barbecue for a Fernelius. Okay, Harvey, let's go outside and look for the birds and the chipmunks. Come here. And the deers. Don't forget the deer. Come here. Harvey, come in. Let's go. Come here, bye. And this is part of the bird sanctuary here. And this is a wild berry. The birds love it. I asked my patient if we can eat it. She said, you don't eat if you don't know. You don't eat something that you don't know. Oh, here's the bird. Look at that bird. There's a lot of them. And the bird big sanctuary is on that side. This is part of the bird sanctuary. This is the end house. And the next, see the bird? It's a lot of it. It's like a gray, dark gray. And they love this fruit, a wild berry. This is it. And there's chipmunks in here. Look at them, look at, see? It's just nuts. It's like lumboy. But this is not lumboy. They love it. It's like wild blackberries. And they have a, look at the bird poop. Bird poop. And they have a swimming pool. They have a swimming pool at the backyard. Here you can see deers. There are deers in here. And this is their swimming pool. Yesterday was the first day of summer. So today they schedule the opening of this swimming pool. And these are the flowers. I forgot what she named this one. Like a daisy. And this one here, this is carnation, white carnation. And this is sunflower. Wow, it's pink sunflower. Pink sunflower. See, this is how I wake up. Let me see. Reverse. Oh no. Yeah. Pine trees. Pine trees. Pine trees. That's my room over there, up there. Pine trees. And it's already a main, like a main road, like a, not highway, but a lot of cars passing. That's going to the beach, going east, ocean, Atlantic Ocean. And clean it up yesterday. Okay, we'll go tour around here. So, see, there's couple walking their dog. And here you can hear, and here you can hear the all kinds of birds. See, it's like a jungle. That's their no, storage area. That's their all kinds of birds. See these trees? These are pine tree. Search what kind of pine tree is this? All kinds of pine tree here in New Jersey. And this is like, look at the tree up to there. So the squirrels love it. So the squirrels, the chipmunks, it's all over the place. So I'm going back. I'm having my coffee. And oop, I don't want to be pooped by the bird. Okay, left that. See, I was wondering if I will taste this one. Will I be dead? Yeah, this is, see, it's a wild, it's like a wild raspberry. I'll try it. You think I'm gonna die? I'm gonna die trying this wild berry. But my boss said do not eat it. Do not eat it. This is like a wild raspberry. Wild raspberry. And here I sit in the morning, have my coffee. And this is their garage. In their garage they have a cooler to stock their food. So I don't know, I'm not eating that. But it looks like a wild raspberry. It's very relaxing. The chipmunks. By the way, those beers are not mine. I'm just kidding. I don't drink alcohol anymore. Used to be, but no more. What you call this? When there's parties or modernization, modern drinking. Anyway, I haven't seen you my face. Okay, this is how I wake up this morning. Okay, 10 minutes.